House of Folk players ne or more technical staff about Benjamin Asare about to say over Premier League in more one making 100 appearance. Benjamin Asare.
Ewo
Ghana Premier House and
okay.
Like Ghana Premier League in a whole no.
Oh nice.
Benjamin Asare indeed.
This guy was story. But the story in say nyame be na dom na wako World Cup. Na okọ World Cup on na bench. Na obeda go num. I think so betima true good story.
Yeah.
Our story this boy our story.
Yeah.
Our story. So when you car crunch. Oda car mu crunch. Now we drive it there. Nobody can do meter.
Very possible.
All story. Me bompa say nyame be born na wako World Cup ni bi no waje go. Na wa be true bibi.
Sure.
Mama nko yashmi wona me nko tie no. House of Folk ni first game wontimi enwi ni. Yashmi bi aboko there.
Boko kwame.
House of Folk there na eko intentem so na.
Kwame I wish Manuma happy birthday. Manuma. Me wish you happy birthday. We do my house ni and Mr. Ibrahim or Sankwari. Simichanu pa. Kwame Friday no your ball draw say opening match no Nema Antmanko Yama because we dey no so nipa aba park no nso to dey but kakra na tim buy but we no yes the blame obia first match na abo on your draw ka 33 matches until we make sure say your subsequent matches no betimi awini coach no so no hwa on so hu mistakes until we nya fe no bi ko blame na coach yesi na dan ya hwebo nyina ya di people mo bia so bia nya ne silence no bia be different nti ono so players na wahu ommo no oyeye na nkofo no se midika e ka no hadada se nkofo no ombe anome olomosui ommo match na nyiza na meka na manfo ntiase ti na Friday na o ka jem se ase wo humi yi na se match no so manko
na usuru
nye se na muso na mi hu se match no emu be dey so na mu ba still kra nenke se wi ni boys no duruba bia god na no de yem nse Davido ba park Davido onye ni pakiton ko Manchester na Real Madrid match kra nka be capture kasa ka has kra capture Davido te park the day you to pack Sharaf Mama to pack na the boy cham of all boy cham to go afede on Australian embassy Brunifita so aba hono nti na kesen ka wi ni ene na ha me no because of 24 we nyina about Davido papa bi mu nyina aba pack na ya ntuma se na ha dwene nse bibi say na ya etwe mama fo bia de ni kese kra na nka Davido kra be ha supporter nka wahu bia nka de you kra no nka orita kra be has na ya de akọ ho no nti mejiri se next time no mu make sure se ebetuma wi ni na seto sensus na yasira no seto sei ye nyina na yakoma ma nema na wo ye no emwa engo yesi ye nyina yesi obo no na ye hi obi ti seto sei won aduba be experience seto sei yesi na okotri na china onko okasa na so ya ne ache na o se ne hwene ya ne ache na bodwo ya ne anya ne okasa ne koto ye anya hasa you senior player yetua aka busungu na ntua aka wo de yabako status ko tua ko jiwuska ba yetua aka won kotre ni na se wa prampo a ye start season na ye ko mox no wan ko bi ye ko asori wan ko bi ye ko so albe wan ko bi obo bola na se obo ye den mesra no abebo bo na ombo so oni so ombo haso so on twa no konta no onko mimi the player dem po asem but we are there na nyame ntimi fancy o meka kire nti wonjire no ho no make so say betimi aboyi na House of Folk players no so we say omo celebrate Benjamin Asare we say abo 100 Premier League matches into players na make sure say am celebrate no say what my 100 Premier League matches on kwanu goalkeeper YSR Blaster number 1
me da say yakwaku Ghana Premier League match day 1 no etimi aba na wiye e shase na no Friday wo Accra Sports Stadium between House of Folk and Hoho koye draw ne Saturday na two clubs are representing Ghana or Africa both a CAF Champions League and Confederations Cup respectively. Na was some susi akan. Ma me sha se mfemfiri asa Brekum Chelsea ne Asante Kotoko. Obi o follow Ghana Premier League bi enim say Asante Kotoko ko Brekum Golden City Park. Recently, year na dene se Kotoko ba ko pick the 3 maximum points. Enti se wo check the last time Kotoko proud to the game no ko wini wo Brekum Chelsea. Na 2010. So now 15 years ni Asante Kotoko ntimi nko wini ye wo Brekum Chelsea aso ye. So se we Kotoko echi 10 na ye Kotoko bobuko na wo ko Brekum Golden City Park. Onim say ye venue ba ko 15 years nko wini ye. So definitely game no nko nkoye fu emfa ma Asante Kotoko. So Asante Kotoko after 15 years winning our Brekum Chelsea Golden City Park against Brekum Chelsea, the first thing is you need to give maximum credits Edema Asante Kotoko. set team 15 years untimi nko wini wo one venue na wetimi akwa wini dia kwaku Asante Kotoko aye ade pa omo technical team coach Karim Zito da no playing body obehwe eye management then supporters ni nyina chairman solo da oma no I think so ma ye adwuma pa en kwaku say 15 years untimi nko hye obi woni fie na utimi kwhye na e kire se operations papa bi ko so okay. So it means Asante Kotoko ye a lot of operational works no and Mr. Christopher Demenya on a director of operations was Asante Kotoko. My member Mr. Demenya so abaso because operations e course so Kotoko after 15 years etimiko we ni obrekum Chelsea ne die. I think Mr. Demenya so ye adwuma then on say Asante Kotoko kodu Friday no omuda sunyan. Emma sunyan circles impanyimfo chairman Fuzi eda no ekosi Asante Kotoko team no. And nipa baako e wosa Asante Kotoko so bona baso pa ye chairman Fuzi bronia hafo Asante Kotoko supporters oda no wona rekonta me bona chairman Fuzi abaso no on sena buno eye one area Kotoko ekọ struggle pa baby ti sedoma na Kotoko ko ho ontimi wini ba nansem on se Kotoko kodoma otimi ko wini and so operations a chairman Fuzi ni team o sunyan ye no then brekum Chelsea so na Kotoko ko brekum a edin this time around metimi aye. So checking your call, so I think say every stakeholder was Asante Kotoko na was say ye bomb abaso pay and the kind of confidence Kotoko edu we no say how we no and the confidence be bema Kotoko against Kwara United nyame ya aduma capture Confederations Cup when him sanka Asante Kotoko kolusu ya in a way e betimi ama spirit na perform kakra playing against Kwara by win we no etimi e boost your confidence any team in spirit no ana ebetimi e push supporters ne say nyame ya adoma omo game against Kwara or Africa no betimi akwa park no so the first thing is my member Asante Kotoko team na baso going into the game coach Karim Zito anye a lot of changes because what share Asante Kotoko pre-season ni na I say the lineup no you so clear but against Brekum Chelsea this time around on say Oma Joseph Ablo and a better partner Samba Onel. And last season Ablo Samba Onel partnership no was super until say Samba Ablo ekonya injury after no free injury to recover fully and partnership now amonya no solid. Asante Kotoko omo right back no say omo instead need natural right back because of series of injuries Aba Kotoko ho into Ujisu Hamzata the right back and Patrick Esiedu on the left side. Midfield ni na so clear sa Asante Kotoko be use the same midfield. Lord Hilary Adabo, Seth Kojo and Emmanuel Entry won finfin wo. And nim ho miensa no so no Kwame Poku, Albertamo and Philip Amo. Women na chance ye de ma Asante Kotoko. Game na cost 21st minute and Kwame Poku praye. Then Donzo ebe shemu de ma Asante Kotoko. And who take Brekum Chelsea omelusu about 6 key players. So who take Brekum Chelsea definitely there were going to be changes. I will Brekum Chelsea set up him losing 6 key players there easy and from Brekum Chelsea. By the first 45 minutes, kwaku na 45 minutes in the first half na kwakoye more of a physical game. Now say physicality between Asante Kotoko and Chelsea no na it was so. Then again na Asante Kotoko in the first half na say omo balloon balls no omo boni ewembebre so na Kotoko ntimi mfa ball ne ntofo mu control game ne tse de o expect Kotoko midfielders ne so mbetima ye no the first 45 minutes Brekum Chelsea nya decent opportunities bia inexperience in Brekum Chelsea for ne ntimi amfa ball no antwat ne because majority of many more for ni na inexperience na nkomo experienced players kakra wo many more in the first half no mbetimi the ball twat nim and the Emma Asante Kotoko winning game ni na kwaku was the double substitution of coach Karim Zito o time okodura no yin America first half no o ti game na na wo hwa unse na Asante Kotoko struggle kakra but in the second half or a double substitution 57th minutes anoma Seth Kojo ana Brante Fence Philip Amo Efrimu anodi Walid Fuseni Nema then odi Hubejewu ebemu sa 2 players ni bemu no Asante Kotoko game necessary they brought some certain level of energy Emma Asante Kotoko shase say omu control game no ye in the second half after sa substitution no Kotoko shase say or pass around very well ye hu Kotoko after sa substitution no o control game no on sa substitution ne buy no Kotoko switch call for midfielders after the obenya Lord Hilary Adabo obabenya Brante Fene say Emmanuel Entry Walid Fuseni name about Bishim, and a Hubejewa Babishim. So, some players for Nina players are technically Saboni Chromo, Mutimi Boboni. And after some double substitution, no, and Musa Kotoko, SRCS, who control game very well. After the Kotoko, Timi winning balls in them, or Lusu born and what Timi winning ball in them. So, the second half, Kotoko, first half, now there was less movement anymore. But in the second half, after that double substitution, Kotoko, SRCS movement, ne kosu very well. Eddie Aman Sante Kotoko, to be honest with you, that substitution, Coach Karim Zito, and then the technical team in the year, you know, Coach Oben Hamza, and more bench on in a year, you know, Ebuama Sante Kotoko, take over, and Mutiminia Sago, no. Time substitution, by no. Also, bit to say, Kwesi Badori, then Vincent Eje. I know more fin the Mabri kum Chelsea and first half for Mohadeno. After that substitution, no, Badori men who gave me to be. It was about Asante Kodoko. And look at that go Asante Kodoko share. And big ups to Hubert Jewu. That technical ability, that pass. On him say, we a good midfielder. Most especially, I dear here pie scanning. We a player now per se utimi bobo, but utimi the echo pie on pitch now. Sebo ni nyambaya, you need to scan your environment. No who the ekoso. And to before say Hubert Jewu, on say on the Koyere J Bono or Jere Bono, I know whom say Albert Amwa Erani and Obianim say Albert Amwa will pace and all power. And to Hubert Jewu the kind scanne Albert Amwa. And we say, and yes, or my pass in the Cotunanima Albert Amwa bit me and look at that pass. That technique. And so the kind scanne an accurate pass from Hubert Jewu. And the boy no Albert Amwa and that intelligent move from Albert Amwa. What him do ye? The Albert Amwa ye o the BT Brekum Chelsea defenders no. Or the can control ball on the first touch no. And my ball ni lead you. And when him say on no was speed, they say Brekum Chelsea 4 players no. And in the first touch no, said that control on him just to take the lead. And no dimrika and as power no the ball ni say no. So you know I think say Asante Kodoko 15 years. Wako Brekum Chelsea Golden City Park akwa win no e good for Asante Kodoko players on free bench buy no ebe make difference no Hubert Jewu e fiti so about Asante Kodoko no kwaku nim say omo matches bebre no abonia e so clear say onye starter e won finfin ho but dia mani agene ye say few opportunity no so nya minutes no nya ye no obekere say oso man opportunity a also betima fighting to Asante Kodoko first 11 no. So I love that competition and Kotoko midfield no. Obi apeso prove a point to get a regular playing time at Asante Kodoko and Hubert Jewu buy and when good when masi. I say Obi Abonabaso the technical ability and that pass the energy of the buy and Golden City on him pitch on Asante Kodoko echo sign no edini free and so I return ya koni chrome dia. Uncle make a mark for Asante Kodoko. No be who do bet my Golden City. And Walid name a baby no. Who say adia how Walid name I say Mark Fitness. Who say born dear Walid name and born nebo by Olake Mark Fitness and me wo GDSS on your playing timer. Now the fitness neba obeboa Asante Kodoko pay ye Samba will now Patrick Esiedu and for once kwaku Emmanuel Ntwi saying.
Say obo.
Bo hu born Emmanuel Ntwi boy.
Yeah.
Emmanuel Ntwi bobo.
Yeah.
Adi I expected from Emmanuel Ntwi because a top player, a player I got to a time blasters now on your flow. And to say when your opportunity now say I can't dear Asante Kodoko. Untimi go no a good for Asante Kodoko. Say ope so winning liga. Venues be where was so 3 points and some venues living Asante Kodoko ashas ye. Last season himself Asante Kodoko we need 3 games away. And this season, when the first away win, a Chelsea Asante Kodoko difficult grounds or pick points. No position in your mouth. I think Sekweku one club was here watch out for them. Asante Kodoko. Big ups to them after 15 years. Asante Kodoko a Golden City. Akwa winning game there. They deserve every credit to be at the Asante Kodoko.
Well, Biggie, Yananti.
Koku Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Ekwako bogi against Brekum Chelsea. I am sure, sir, Obi follow football be our Ghana hafi. Ebeka was a gamer. Say Kumasi Asante Kotoko be for 3 points there. It looks more like an impossible task. Until on Saturday, make I say, Karim Zito dem ranti and ekono muti me yire omo. No munya draw crampo the bar. Me feel say a fair results for Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Because I'll be botting with the home grounds for 15 solid years. Now unti and Kwaku, I'm even told, I stand corrected, say the last time Asante Kotoko Brekum Chelsea when home Limpono, it was played at the Sunyani Coronation Park. but brekum kronimu brekum Golden City Park there Kumasi Asante Kotoko Hong Kong koche, and that makes it difficult. But coach ni make sure say obe take decisions ebe bo Kumasi Asante Kotoko Boboko no. Decision 1, the partnership in central defense. You who are blown samba ama sa partnership na work. Number 1, understanding between the two of them. And then for whatever reasons, coach decided to say some man tell me no bebo, and it paid off. The central defense was so strong to the extent say na adding so be room again. Another advantage Asante Kotoko was Hamzata as a right back. Ebia okwa ni mu a unya options be bring free ni honum. But because he's a central defender, position never is solid. Eddie Amakumasi Asante Kotoko Bobo Konti, whenever there was pressure, Asante Kotoko already has 3 central defenders in their back line. Dada. It is say you want to defend the way you want no. Then your problem. And for Makumasi Asante Kotoko Bobo Kono. Decision number 2. Hubert Joba Kumasi Asante Kotoko. We saw his quality over Chelsea. And Asante Kotoko didn't buy. But at Kumasi Asante Kotoko, Hubert Joba na ye nimno. And who will break Chelsea no. Now you who's our performance in Benfica Brandt. But for the coaches to sit down and decide, say, Yabema Brandt an opportunity amanabo against Bekum Chelsea. And why at the Asante Kotoko nya results. It's Bianca expect to say player like Hubert Joe and a beben because Oba Kumasi Asante Kotoko no. Said ye na ye nim so si born a ball. On a former club no. Oba you intimi more sa. But the coaches had a different thought. A honor me in the fee, a honor me in the chrome, a honor man was see a kind of ball, am I a wound I coco fan buy. So if there's any other player, I will name grounds no. Never a favorable idea mana. You put Hubert Joe in the game and a branch and a buyer no. Performance are ordained, not just that pass to Albert Amoa. Debbie, almost every touch I will give him was a touch of gold. He made the difference for Kumasi Asante Kotoko Bobo Kono. It's him Nanti and Abiano Mube here. It was Tim Nimfin on him. So was a player back West Sunday, no, this had any bremono. We saw it. Albert Amoa for the second season running. Kwaku last season said Ubekaya Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Before that season. No money Kaila United about 3 matches. 3 matches from boy no. Kaila United are winning 1 ended in a draw. Now Asante Kotoko continue in Kaila United. Last season, the opening game of the season, na Kaila ni Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Ewo Kaila home na le rigu no mubo game no. Asante Kotoko koye ekoko win ye. Albetamu na share 1 goal. Adema Kumasi Asante Kotoko. And no for the 3 maximum points far away in le rigu. This season, opener of the season, Onua Bioma stand to the test. I'm making sure. Say as a striker, Nimuanoma can ever game ni muyenina yebo. But me na juma ni say me goals. Ariama Kumasi Asante Kotoko Bobo Kono. Till when the opportunity came, Abranti capitalize on that. Edinya go. Emma Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Eventually, baby Asante Kotoko own team for the past 15 years. Kotoko for the 3 maximum points. Kudos to Albert Amoa. He still has to work on certain things. In the first half, he had a glorious opportunity. 18-yard area and only the goalkeeper. After now beating Bekum Chelsea defender. 1-on-1 with the goalkeeper. But a goalkeeper and save here. He still has to work on the little things to make him a better or a complete striker for Kumasi Asante Kotoko and anyone one can home. I am happy because Asante Kotoko Africa no mobile bebono. This performance is going to give the players some sort of confidence going into the Kara United game. And Memo Karimzi to Abaso. Nipaya dia Osayi. The selections he made, the substitutions, the tactics on the day, and everything was on point. This is what I am expecting from Coach Karim Zito, Kumasi Asante Kotoko coach. And honestly, those flaws, then Yaman can get mistakes, and they will pre-season Nimu, Ayadi and Nimu, you know. Season start here, and the first game of the season, you're more baby, but at least Kakana, you're positive. And so Kumasi Asante Kotoko Bobo Kono, remember Karim Zito Abaso for the job done. He's done very well, Kwaku.
Okay. And chair, yeah, because now, Kwame, wrap up, mommy.
Yeah, one say, baby, any good stars, so defending champions, etnefie or dance party winning ye. And one say, baby, any for the Atuja say, league no moje in the last season, no. Omo pese, omutimi say defending. And me no nim say, Ghana has saying, so would you league now defend no, extremely difficult. And yet, team be an team league to me defend you. Few clubs are. Omutimi side and so for baby any goal star say omo person mu defend the league no a huge task at the ma coach Frimpong Manson and the boys, most especially say, or may lose some key guys, be new players, but still now. What try say Obe manage you, in the first game with you know, where Timmy we need 2-1 against a Bichim United. I believe a good start at the ma a team friend say baby any good stars. But kwa me only problem. Okay, I see about top 4 anyway. Anna Mebeka Semwaha. Anna Mokobo champion of champions, maybe repeating the same thing. On him say Saturday, baby any good stars as I consider go. Enti baby any goal stars coach Frimpong Manson omo na represent a Ghana wo CAF Champions League. Me problem ni say anka baby any goal stars a team or say 4 5 6 and o consider me ni problem be a team o say 2-1 enti o consider goals are from top 4 ni nyina ba ni na no champion of champions and the first game of league or consider and obebo Africa against JS Kabylie a no no so say obebre. And to what won't mean say a lot of goals now will say consider a problem can say the map baby any goal star. So Nyame aduma dear ba kwa me expect baby any so bit ma correct no. How mu e consider goals no. By a good start for baby any goal star. Says so person ultimate defend the league na. Your points be or why and drop it. And also ultimate the 3 maximum points. Then young apostle set in a firma mediama ko share ni 2. Ibrahim Tanko akwa ko share 2. A good start for mediama. On say low king ko any the mediama team ni so by all team ba kwa financially omo ye sound quality omo obi omo good coach on him say kwa check here team ba kwa team keep ni players by mediama. Ghana has say recently obetime say mediama players about be 6-7 or from the first lineup no omo team keep them about 2 seasons and currently obeti say Felix Chey da so ho Derek Fojoy da so ho you can talk of Kamara Dean. And to me a team ba quality omo consistency wo understanding wo good technical coach a team then again financially omo sound and mediama for so area to say season we also multi league you know and mediama kwa we akwa win 2-0. I think say a good start for a team friend say mediama ntikwaku you know your first day no Ghana Premier League and I think say clubs you know are perform very well or mama you good matches and you hope say ya na beto so most especially say ska aba Ghana Premier League by your first day and I say match day 1 e Ghana Premier League no ubu samia me team of match day 1 Asante Kotoko match day 1
okay
me team of match day 1 e Ghana Premier League 2025-2026 Asante Kotoko because of venue no any nsema na e wo ho no Asante Kotoko
na wan so na disappoint
oh do disappoint me they say wa we need to
wana
say has a disappointing.
Okay.
Yes, has a disappointing me. Now me expect to send the first game against Woho you beat me win. And you disappointing pa.